PayPal's been the go-to for years, but if you're freelancing across borders, it's not your only option. Whether you're chasing lower fees, faster payouts, or better currency control, here are the three of the best PayPal alternatives for freelancers who get paid internationally. You get Wise, you got Payoneer, and you got Remitly. Wise stands out with its multi-currency account. You get local bank details in major regions like the US, UK, EU, and Australia. So clients can pay you like a local. The exchange rates are close to mid-market, transfers are fast, and everything's handled from a single dashboard. It's great for freelancers juggling clients in different countries. Payoneer gives you global receiving account as well, but also connects directly to freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Amazon. You can request payments, manage multiple currencies, and even use their card for ATM withdrawals or online purchases. It's especially useful if you want a one-stop wallet for both platform and direct client work. And Remitly is a bit different. It focuses more on sending money, but if your clients or partners use it, you can receive payments directly to your local bank account in dozens of countries. It's fast, widely supported, and great for freelancers working with clients who don't want to deal with platforms or complex payment flows. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize how you get paid, these three tools offer flexibility, global reach, and smoother workflows than PayPal alone. Are you already using one of them? I'd love to hear how it's working, and if you're still figuring out which one's best for you, drop a comment. I'll help break it down, and I'll catch you later.